Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is instant Rava Idli. The measurement serves 3 people. So let's check out the recipe. Take a pan and add 3 teaspoon oil. Once heated, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Once they start to splutter, add hing. Then add 2 teaspoon urad dal and 2 teaspoon chana dal. Fry for few seconds and add half-inch ginger and green chilies cut in small pieces. Add curry leaves. Fry everything until the dal turns golden brown in color. Then add 4 to 5 cashews cut in pieces. Mix well. Now add 3 cups of rava. Mix and fry the rava for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn off the gas and let the mixture cool. After the rava mixture is cooled, add 3 cups of curd. The quantity of rava and curd should be same. Now add grated carrot, coriander leaves, and salt as per taste. Mix everything nicely and check the consistency. If needed, add more curd. You can add maximum half cup of water, not more than that. Mix nicely. The batter should not be too thick or too thin. Keep the batter aside for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, apply oil on the idli plates. Place a piece of cashew on each idli hole. This is optional. If you don't want, then you can skip this. Now pour the batter in each idli cup space. Preheat the water inside idli stand for 10 minutes and then place the idli plates. Let it cook for about 15 minutes, after which turn off the gas. Wait for 2 minutes before you take out the idlis. The idli is cooked well. The idlis are soft and cooked nicely. This is a very quick recipe that you can make instantly for breakfast. Serve it hot with some chutney or sambar. If you liked today's video, please like the video and do subscribe for more recipes. Thank you.